Hey editors, welcome back again on this channel. Today I have again brought a tutorial for mobile editors. You will definitely learn something from this 4K quality tutorial. So before starting, please subscribe and give a like. First watch this preview. Let's start. Watch all the steps carefully. Done. Now export it. Let this be completed. Now install the VMake app for further process. Look carefully. Now do the same process again, and our video is complete. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.